Since many of you are beginners to fasting, we thought we'd do a separate video that is focused on the benefits of IF or intermittent fasting. What is it? It is deliberate cycling between periods of fasting and eating. Without realizing, you already fast every day, from dinner to breakfast the next morning, mostly while sleeping. With IF, what you will want to do is extend your breakfast slightly, starting 1 hour at a time till you are fasting about 13 to 15 hours. The easiest way to do this is, of course, by pushing breakfast back a couple of hours or skipping breakfast entirely and breaking your fast with lunch. Another great way of IF is to just eat dinner earlier by sunset. So, why should you practice IF? What are the advantages? Number 1, intermittent fasting changes the function of cells, genes, and even hormones. Your body initiates important cellular repair processes and changes hormone levels to make stored body fat more accessible. The blood levels of insulin drop significantly, which facilitates fat burning. Blood levels of growth hormone may increase as much as 5-fold. Higher levels of this hormone facilitate fat burning and muscle gain and have numerous other benefits. The body induces important cellular repair processes as well, such as removing waste material from cells. There are also beneficial changes in several genes and molecules which are related to longevity and protection against diseases. Number 2, intermittent fasting can help you lose weight and especially the belly fat. So what happens? Intermittent fasting enhances hormone function to facilitate weight loss. Lower insulin levels and higher growth hormone levels increase the breakdown of body fat and facilitates its use for energy. Now, intermittent fasting increases your metabolic rate by 3.6 to almost 14%. That helps you burn more calories, of course. According to 2014 study, IF can cause weight loss of 3 to 8% over just 3 to 24 weeks. Research showed that people also lose 4 to 7% of their waist circumference or the belly fat, which essentially is a loss of stubborn belly fat. Number 3, intermittent fasting can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the causes of aging and many chronic diseases. Unstable molecules called the free radicals react with other important molecules like protein and DNA and damage them. Studies show that IF may enhance the body's resistance to oxidative stress. Additionally, intermittent fasting can help fight inflammation as well. Number 4, intermittent fasting may be beneficial for heart health. Shown to improve numerous different risk factors including blood pressure, LDL, cholesterol, inflammatory markers and other, and blood sugar levels as well. Number 5, intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer. IF has beneficial effects on metabolism that may lead to reduced risk of cancer. Animal studies validate that intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer. There is also evidence on human cancer patients showing that fasting reduced various side effects of chemotherapy. Number 6, IF is good for your brain. IF improves various metabolic features, important for brain health, including reduced oxidative stress, like we spoke before, reduced inflammation, and a reduction in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. Studies in rats have shown that IF may increase the growth of new nerve cells, which should have benefits for brain function, obviously. It also increases levels of a brain hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or the BDNF. It is now widely accepted that IF helps clear brain fog and helps improve mental clarity. Number 7, intermittent fasting may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Animal studies show that intermittent fasting may delay the onset of Alzheimer's or at least reduce its severity. A study showed that daily short-term fasts were able to significantly improve Alzheimer's symptoms in 9 out of 10 patients. Studies also suggest that fasting may protect against neurodegenerative diseases, including Parkinson's and Huntington's disease. The advantages of fasting have been, long known to humankind. This is perhaps why it is widely practiced in almost all major religions across the world. There are plenty of scientific studies supporting the benefits of fasting. When you fast, you actually heal. So we would encourage all of you to start practicing intermittent fasting as soon as possible. Even women can practice intermittent fasting on a regular basis, irrespective of where they are in their hormonal cycle. That's it for today. Stay happy, stay healthy.